way to Home Depot right now to get some supplies. Our neighbors are so freaking cute right now. They brought us cookies.
Yeah, they got some cookies.
And they gave us a tool. Holy, that's not good. That's a thick piece. That's what she said. There to get a leak.
My gender lessons didn't
So far everything that we have found is either too expensive or there's nothing left. Ooh, I need that. I think you lost this.
Who, me?
You did.
There's apparently an old couple named Harvey and Irma that are married, and they've been married for like 40 years.
Just want to touch everything. Succulents suck. Just kidding. I love them. Hot dog man is gone.
Oh my god.
There's no more hot dogs. There's no hot dogs and no wood.
Well, here's an idea. We could always take off the wood doors of the cabinets in the garage.
Sandy's hot dogs.
Yeah, creativity.
I was like totally laughing about
No?
that.
Did you get that?
I think so. It was very blurry, but I
This is
think
Florida all the time. People just walk out in traffic.
I love the meme that's like
Sorry, what did I say?
typical Florida no turn or typical Florida coming into god damn it. Typical hurricane coming into Florida, no turn signal.
Right, did you record all you stumbling over those words?
Yes, I did. Of course I did.
Definitely gonna put that in the
Oh, I know. I don't know how to use words.
Record ourselves making fun of ourselves and laugh at ourselves. It's our show and we do what we want. Oh my gosh. We were gonna put it in a kiddie pool if we could find one.
Humidity.
Florida. We have no wood, but we got grass.
Thanks so much.
Cool. Thank you. Appreciate it. Have a good one. Stay safe, guys. Got what? Got what?
No.
We found wood. It's fake.
Wow.
Wow. We got a saw down.
cut it into shapes about this size, this big.
Gotcha.
And then it just goes.
Oh, I see what you're saying. Hot dogs closed. Okay. Give me a sec. Good job, team. Look at that, take one. Look at that sod. Looking good. Looking good.
Go slowly.
Yeah!
We did it!
Win! All boarded up. Show the neighbors. You're so manly. Wow. Wow. Bathroom. Perfect. Just for me.
Hi everyone, today is day 2 of our preparation for Hurricane Irma. As of today, the route of the storm has shifted further west, so we're not getting a near direct hit as much as we expected, but we're still trying to be as prepared as possible. So this morning, we spent a good amount of the morning trimming trees, since we live in a very tree-heavy part of the town. And we put up some boards last night and put some tarps on some outdoor furniture today, and so we're just kind of waiting it out and enjoying the wonderful calm before the storm.
Looks like shit outside.
It's horrible.
This place sucks. Don't come here. Don't come here. Nemo. Stupid nub.
forecast. The storm has officially made land in Naples. We are expecting the worst of the storm tonight. So we're gonna kind of take a look at the neighborhood and see what's going on right now.
So we're going outside.
And I'm wearing a poncho because I've never done that before.
Clearly. This is our backyard. We got a solid current going. That's Billy's car. And as you can see, everybody else's cars are strategically placed. It protects the cars, protects the houses a little bit more.
We're getting mostly gusts of wind. It's not like sustained wind. So again, we're not really getting the worst of it right now. Some areas further south are already out of power.
So despite the fact that we are in a tornado warning right now, the boys are mixing away. They've been working on a cover song the last couple days, but for now let's get to the most important thing of hurricane prepping, which is snacks. As responsible adults, we got pizza today. Billy was smart enough to grab some soy milk. This is pretty cool because you don't have to refrigerate it, even though it says keep it refrigerated. The pantry is the best part, which is all the junk food that we have in here. And loads of cereal that we'll eat with curdled soy milk. Bread, which was hard to come by actually the past couple days. And lots of water. When the power goes out, as we expect it to do, we will have something to drink and brush our teeth. So this is our safe room that we have. We don't necessarily have to be in here right now. We have a bunch of pillows in here. I can't really see it. And lots of water. So we're ready. We are ready.
It's supposed to be like a navigation app for pilots. But there's us right on this lake right here. You can barely see it, just completely wiped out. You can kind of see the direction of the wind going from east to west as we zoom out. Blue dot. There's the hurricane.
That's pretty freaky. We just wait.
Just wait.
We just wait.
Keep mixing.
Hi, Billy. All right, good talk, Billy. Thanks for the conversation. What up? How's it going over there?
Literally nothing is going on. It is drizzling a little bit, but like no wind at all. There's still people moving around. It's not much at all, honestly.
Well, hunker down, brother.
We've been cooped up here for a while. JP's going stir crazy. He's actually trying to cook. I hate that!
Hi, JP.
He's going stir crazy.
Stay safe.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Stay safe, stay dry.
The animals have the safe space. Ready to go. Ready for Irma. Let's see where Nemo is. There you are. So this is a regular old closet. And we have to fit 4 of us in here.
And 4 pets.
And 4 pets. So that's gonna be fun. How do you feel about that?
Well, I feel a little bit more okay about that than I feel about the green flashes in the sky that we just saw.
Yeah, it sounds freaking crazy. Wow. So the furniture all tarped up.
This whole area is flooded.
Transformer.
I am deathly afraid of tornadoes. So this is now getting to the fun part for me. Are we sure those are transformers blowing?
I don't hear a transformer blowing.
You don't hear that thing that sounds like a train?
There's no I hear it. It's a stereo mic. It's It's a cross stereo. What's it called? X and Y. Oh, it's fun. Yeah.
We have no power.
No more.
We officially lost power. It's about 12:30 in the morning on Monday morning, officially. And we lost power. We only have a couple hours left that we would have to brave the storm, and we were seemingly one of the few that kept power for this long, and here we are.
And here we are.
It's kind of fun.
Zach is loving it.
I'm enjoying it.
Zach's camping inside.
Yeah.
Glamping.
However, I do want to make sure that we specify that we did not get a nearly significant storm compared to some of our coastal cities and southern cities.
Whoa. Whoa, there's our neighbor's dog.
Yeah, the storm changed direction, so now it's coming right at us.
Waves. Yeah. Whoa. Oh my god. Too serious out here, which is good. Brr. It's chilly. Brr. Hey you. Oh man.
That's 2 trees. That's where it came from.
Oh my god! I didn't even see that. The sun is out again. Allie's happy.
Get you a bottle, little drop or two, so you can keep them hydrated.
Thank you.
Back to nature.
I know.
Back to nature. What's the name of the place?
Oh, back.
going?
Making some musubi for our time of crisis. No electricity. Bringing a taste of Hawaii to our lives. Nori. Spam.
Cooked over the fire.
Furikake.
Don't call me that, Zach. Never enough musubi.
Never enough musubi.